That's awesome.
Well, this is so heavy. I am just gonna do the intro sitting down. This is my 5th scale Arrma Outcast 8S. This thing is a monstrous, humongous beast. Did I say it's big? I am so excited to own this. I've wanted one for a really long time. This has been on the market for quite some time and I finally picked one up. And today, I thought it'd be fun to do just a stock speed test. So this is the Outcast right out of the box. We charged, well, they're over there, 2 4S batteries. We're gonna run them in series. And they go one right there and one right there. And we're just gonna see how fast it goes. I believe the transmitter has the throttle limit. So we'll start at 50, then go to 75, then 100. So keep watching till the end so you get to see the actual max speed of this right out of the box. Nothing has changed. Look at this awesome, huge soup can, brushless motor. It's massive, it has the heat sink on top. Got the massive ESC, just 5th scale is just a crazy world of its own. I mean, it's just cool. It's just cool. And this Outcast body, it just looks amazing. I love how old school it looks. And we got some awesome TheRcSaylors stickers on there today. Probably should have put a power patch on there to help with the speed test. But if you want one of your own TheRcSaylors stickers, they're exclusive to our patrons. So sign up to be one of our patron supporters and you'll get stickers. So that's pretty cool. All right, let's power this on. See how fast it can go. Kicked.
Oh, I was expecting 9 or 10.
8 beeps for 8 cells of power. This is gonna be fun. All right, Nate's got the speed meter on here. It is zeroed out. And check out this awesome transmitter. It has telemetry. That is my battery life right there, the 4 green lights. We'll start at 50 and work our way up. This is just an awesome transmitter. I love it.
It's the best ready to run transmitter I've ever seen.
Yes.
It is awesome. Okay, you're at 50%. Ooh. It needs trim to hair.
All right, 50%.
Let's go.
Let's try this out.
Is that full? So I like that. I like that.
It's a big truck.
Right.
It's a big truck.
I think that if you were...
It's not meant to break speed records.
I think if you were to hand the controls of this to a beginner or a youngster, you would want to hand it to them at 50%.
I wouldn't hand this to a youngster.
No. But just if. A beginner. We're saying a beginner. Okay, let's see. What's your guess? I'm going to 25.
26.
We're both wrong. 30.
30.
That's 30.
Okay.
So that's actually really good.
Right.
That's not bad.
75%. Keep watching. We're going to do max throttle here in a second.
My pre-guess is 38 without even seeing it. Looks like you need a touch of trim still. If you guys don't know what we're talking about, if the vehicle, you're trying to drive it straight but it's veering off in one direction, you can just twist a little knob and it adjusts it permanently. That looks much better. Much faster, much more powerful.
What was your guess?
What'd I say, 38? 38, I think so.
I'll go with
You doing one more pass?
37.
Okay, price is right.
Yeah, it's right, 40.
Very nice.
I'll go with 40.
Okay. I'm excited.
I feel like it's faster than what we think.
Yeah, because it's so big. I'm gonna say the 100% will be, oh, hold on. I was really
39.
close. 39,
But
actually.
I was over, so does that mean I lose?
I think it was a tie because I got 38, you got 40, right in the middle. So you're going up to 100%.
100, you can see my battery, it was just flashing, so I think that's so cool to be able to know how much driving time you have left.
I love it. Okay, 100% Outcast 8S. You're just ripping it to see how much kick it has. Yeah.
Pretty cool. You know I want to pop a wheel.
Yes, maybe we do before the video is over. Wow.
Tires were huge.
They're so loud.
They were ballooning.
They're so loud. You guys know Abby's hat is special.
I do have a special custom hat.
Okay, let's go. Full throttle. Ease into it if you need to. That's awesome. That's awesome. My guess is 55. That's a big jump. 48. You going one more?
Sounds so cool.
It sounds amazing. This thing is a beast.
My guess is 48.
I think that's what I said. 51, we broke.
Say?
At first I said 55, then I said no, that's too fast, so I said 48. So
I said 48.
yeah, we got a pretty good idea of what's going on here. That that was nice. It almost went all the way back. I thought it was going to.
Nate,
that's
you're
cool.
So much better popping wheelies.
Let me try it.
No. You gotta do it first.
Okay. Nice. The wheelie bar. The wheelie bar is working well.
It's so
catching
high
it.
up, it's crazy.
Yeah. Oh, good save. Good save.
Right.
Wow.
Don't break my truck.
I just want to do a little speed run here.
Oh, nervous. You know you're going to pop a wheelie.
I might. So I just started on 100, right?
Yeah.
This thing feels like it's running on rails, you know? I mean, I don't feel like it's veering off at all. You trimmed it up nicely. And it's holding very nicely, too. Okay, here we go.
Oh, is the camera blurred? Why is the camera blurry? Okay, sorry. Your first pass was ruined.
That's okay. It was nice. Feels good. Very powerful. Very predictable. Very predictable. That's nice. It's loud. It is just a loud, heavy RC.
It's cool. All right. I'll be surprised if you beat me.
On the wheelie?
Yeah.
Or on the speed?
On the speed.
Speed ought to be the same.
Sorry, speed.
It ought to be the same. 51, yeah.
Is that what it was?
Yeah.
51.
That's good. Okay, you ready? You ready?
Oh, hold on. I'll miss you. Paint.
I'm gonna try.
All right, do it. Oh, you're going the wrong way. Come back.
That was good.
You're way better at wheelies. You always have been.
Have
I ever won a wheelie mania?
No,
I don't think I have.
So. Gonna do a rolling wheelie. You ready? Yes, you can. It wasn't.
That's cool. All right, let them subscribe and turn the notification bell on to see more.
Yeah. Okay. Back to you.
Well, this was fun.
Yeah. Yeah. How can you not have fun with that?
The scale world is a whole entire game changer of its own, and it makes you want every single one you ever see. That's why this has been on my wish list for a long time. So I'm super excited to have it. I'm really excited to bash it. We're gonna have a lot of fun with this. I'll have this truck and the batteries linked down in the description box below for you guys to check out. Wow, for such a giant truck, 51 miles per hour is crazy.
That's good.
Fast.
Yeah, it's a basher.
That is fast. It's a basher, yeah. It's not really meant to go fast, but 50 is crazy. It's fun. It's just fun. And for this hobby, and just for all the fun I get to have with Nate, my husband, I want to thank God, because just life is good. Life is good when you have a hobby to share with your significant other. So I encourage all of you guys that's not RC, find something to do with your loved ones. It just makes life so much better to have something to share together. Big thanks to our patron family members. You guys are amazing, and we really appreciate your support. You all are the backbone to our channel, and we could not make videos like this happen if it wasn't for you guys. Before we go, if you missed the unboxing, I'll have that video popping up right about now, so be sure to go check that out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you over there. Bye!